Imagine sleeping on park benches, surviving on scraps, and feeling invisible to the world. That was Jake Carter's reality. But just 5 years later, he wasn't just surviving. He was thriving, a self-made millionaire. How did he do it? Stay till the end, because his story might just change your life. Jake Carter wasn't always homeless. He had a decent job, a small apartment, and dreams. But one tragic event changed everything. After losing his parents in a car accident, depression hit him hard. He started missing work, bills piled up, and soon he was evicted. With nowhere to go, he found himself on the cold streets, lost and broken. For 2 years, Jake lived in survival mode, but one moment changed everything. One day, a stranger saw Jake reading a torn business book he found in the trash. Impressed, he struck up a conversation. That man was Mr. Thomas, a self-made entrepreneur. He saw potential in Jake and offered him a deal. If you're willing to work, I'll teach you how to make money. With determination, Jake learned digital marketing, copywriting, and investing. Every spare moment, he studied, practiced, and hustled. He started freelancing online, earning his first few dollars. Jake didn't stop. He reinvested his earnings, started an online business, and within 3 years, he made his first $1 million from a homeless man with nothing to a successful entrepreneur. But the best part? He never forgot where he came from. Today, Jake runs a foundation helping the homeless get back on their feet, because he knows that one opportunity, one mentor, one moment can change everything. So, what's stopping you? No matter where you are in life, you have the power to change your story, just like Jake did. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it.